Hi friends, in this video I will cover ISRO scientist RAC 2017 paper I will cover. This is part 2. Already up to question number 30 in part 1 available. Many questions are repeating in SC exam, SC mechanical exam also they are asking RAC questions, and technical assistant also some questions they are asking. Question number 31. A hydraulic turbine develops 1000 kilowatt power for a head 40 meter. If the head is reduced to 20 meter, power developed in kilowatt is how much? So here same turbine. So unit quantity you can check. Unit power is PU P by H to the power 3 by 2. So P1 by H1 to the power 3 by 2, it's equal to P2 by H2 to the power 3 by 2. P1 given 1000 kilowatt, H1 also 40 and H2 is 20. So from here P2 equal to H2 by H1 to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 you can write 1.5. 1.5 is 2 minus 0.5. So we will write H2 is into 1000 1 by 2 its square by 1 by 2 root into 1000. 1000 into root 2 by 2 square is 4, 250 root 2, 250 into root 2 1.414. If you solve this one, you will get 353.55 kilowatt. B is your correct answer. Impulse turbine is used for impulse turbine high head. So high head, your Pelton wheel example is Pelton wheel. This is your impulse turbine used for high head and low discharge. B is your correct answer. Laminar flow occurs in pipe when Reynolds number is RE is less than 2000. C is your correct answer. If the net positive suction head NPSH for the pump is not satisfied, then cavitation will be formed. Question is, for a given heat flow and for same thickness, the temperature drop across material will be maximum. So heat flow Q is constant. Fourier's law of one dimensional heat conduction will apply. K change in temperature to thickness. From here same thickness and same temperature dot, given heat flow Q is fixed, thickness also fixed, del X, then temperature drop from here delta T is inversely proportional to K. K is your thermal conductivity. From options, K of copper is greater than K of steel, is greater than K of brick, K of glass wool is lowest. Thermal conductivity of glass wool is lowest. So del T of copper is less than del T of steel, less than del T of brick, less than del T of glass wool. So temperature drop across the material will be maximum for glass wool. C is your correct answer. Next question, a long glass cylinder of inner diameter 0.03 meter and outer diameter 0.05 meter carries hot fluid inside. If the thermal conductivity of glass is 1.05 watt per meter Kelvin. The thermal resistance per unit length of cylinder is how much? So RTH we have to calculate. Length is 1. So inner diameter D1 is 0.13. Outer diameter D2 is 0.05. K value is 1.05. Thermal resistance we have to calculate. For cylinder, our formula is RTH by 2 pi KL. L is unit length. ln R2 R1 is, so put the values. K value is 1.05. Here you will get ln 5 by 3 if you solve this one, finally you will get, so from option B is your correct answer. ln value 5 by 3 ln 2 is 0.69. So it's 1 point something. So ln 5 by 3, it will be 0.5. Then approximation you put 0.5 by 2.314, 1.05. If you put approximation, you will get this answer. B is your correct answer. Question is, in heat exchangers, degree of approach is defined as the difference between temperatures of, so degree of approach, hot fluid exit temperature, it is the difference between hot fluid exit temperature and cold fluid exit temperature. So cold water inlet and outlet, hot medium inlet and outlet, hot medium outlet, and cold water inlet. So this is also not possible. But in final calculation they omitted this question. But here answer is hot medium outlet and cold water outlet. It's coming. Hot medium outlet is THE, cold water is TCE. Its difference. In counterflow heat exchanger between two fluids, counterflow heat exchanger, hot fluid and your cold fluid. This is hot fluid, this is your cold fluid. Hot fluid inlet temperature, hot fluid exit temperature, cold fluid inlet temperature and cold fluid exit temperature. So here both fluids at inlet are at their hottest state. Inlet means this one. For hot fluid it's correct, what cold fluid it's not correct. So both the fluids at exist at their hottest state. For hot fluid exist is this one, THE. This is not hottest, so B also incorrect. Then one fluid in hottest state and the other fluid in coldest state. Inlet or outlet not mentioned. So C also not possible. Any combination possible depending heat exchanger design. So no option. They omitted this question also. Log mean temperature difference in case of counterflow heat exchanger compared to parallel flow heat exchanger will be, counterflow heat exchanger is more than parallel flow heat exchanger. So B is your correct answer. Question is the emissive power of a body depends on emissive power is E. So temperature, this is correct. Wavelength also this is correct. Physical nature, this is also correct. So all of the D is a correct answer. Surface area also is there. The outside diameter of hollow shaft is twice that of its inside diameter. The ratio of its torque carrying capacity to that of solid shaft of same metal and same outside diameter is how much? Directly also you can answer. It's 15/16. Otherwise, hollow and solid datas are outside diameter is 2 times of inner diameter, or K value is di/do, it's 1/2. For solid shaft, same metal and same outside diameter, so D equal to outer diameter of hollow cylinder. We have to calculate the ratio of torque carrying capacity. T by J equal to tau S by R, we will apply T equal to tau S J by R. So J in case of solid, pi/32, DO will take common 1 minus K to the power 4. Then J in case of solid, pi/32 D to the power 4. So torque carrying capacity we have to calculate. TH by TS, pi/32 DO to the power 4. R it will cancel. So I am not writing that term. Tau S term also I am not writing. Pi/32 D to the power 4. K is 1/2. It's 15/16. Same answer you will get. Next question, the designation of M33 into 2 of a bolt means metric thread with cross section area, no. Outside diameter 33 and 2 mm pitch. C is your correct answer. The power transmitted by means of belt drive depends on velocity of belt. Correct. Tension under which the belt is placed on pulley. This is also correct. Arc of contact between the belt and smaller pulley. This is also correct. So all of the above. D is your correct answer. The usual proportion for the width of key used between shaft of diameter D and hub of pulley. Width of key is B. It's D/4. So from option D is your correct answer. The helix angle for single helical gears ranges from 20 degree to 35 degree. C is your correct answer. The air standard efficiency of a standard Otto cycle for compression ratio 5.5 is how much? So RC value given, it's 5.5. Efficiency of Otto cycle, put the values. Gamma minus 1 we will get 1.4, 0.4, if you solve this one you will get 49, around 49% you will get. So from option B is your correct answer. The power actually developed by the engine cylinder of an IC engine known as Official answer is this one, indicated power. Power actually developed by the engine cylinder of an IC engine. In a boiler, feed water is supplied per hour 205 kg, while coal fire per hour is 23 kg. Net enthalpy rise per kg of water is 145 kJ for conversion to steam. If calorific value of coal is 2050 kJ per kg, boiler efficiency will be how much? So output by input, mass of fuel, it's 205 kg, mass of coal is coal and fuel both are input, 23 kg, delta H of water, enthalpy rise per kg, kilojoule, this is for kg. CV of coal is, this is also per kg. So output we will calculate mass of fuel into enthalpy of water this is your output. Input is mass of coal into CV of coal into 23. So efficiency is output by input. To solve this one, it's 10 times, then it's greater than 60%. So from option C is your correct answer, 63%. Which of the following power plant is least polluting and causing least environment concern? Hydropower plant, forest problem is there, then solar power plant, nuclear power plant also, radiation problem is there. So solar power plant is your best option. No pollution and least environment concern. B is your correct answer. This is the end of this part. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.